Hi students, so today we're going to talk about units of length. So here on the page in your workbook, page 159, you are going to be working on finding the length of the line segment. So it says circle length units and fractions of units to show the length of the line segment and write the length. So for each problem you're given a ruler, and the ruler here tells you what unit it is, and this is inches that we're looking at. So from the 0 to the 1, that's 1 inch. 1 to 2, that's 2 inches. To the 3, that's 3 inches. To the 4, that is 4 inches. Now they have drawn a line here. This is called the line segment. It's part of a line. And they want to know how long the line is. So I'm going to look and I'm going to count my inches, which they show you here with these little dotted circles. This is 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, and then 2 of the short lines. Now if I count how many little lines here, little sections I have, from the 3 to the 4, each inch, I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are 4 parts in each inch. This to the first line is called 1/4, and that's written, if you look over here, that's written like this, 1/4. To the second part, that's 2/4, and that's written like this, 2/4, and 2/4 is also 1/2. Okay, so 2 of the 4ths, that's half. That's half of this inch. As you can see, this is a whole inch, and that's half of it. To the next one, that's 3/4, and that's written like this, 3/4. And the last one, that's the entire inch, or 4/4. And 4/4 is the same as 1. So now let's look at our line segment. Our line segment comes in at 1/4, 2/4, 2/4, or half of 4. So our line segment is 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inches, and half of the next inch. So that's 3 and 1/2. And that's the answer that you would write right here. This is 3 and 1/2 inches, or aya. Now look at the next one, number 2. So you have another line segment. This is 1 inch, 2 inch, and how many of our 4s? 1, 2, 3. So we have 2 inches and 3/4 inch. So that would be written 2 inches, and again, 1, 2, 3 over, out of the 4 little inches that we have there, 4 inches. Now you work on 3 through 5. Pause the video to do so. Now look at number 6. It says, why is this ruler wrong? If I look at it, I have 1 inch, I have 2 inches, and then the 3 inches is this just little itty bitty part. Looks like it's scrunched together. 4, 5, and the same with the 6. So you look at them, you see what is wrong with this ruler. Does it look the same as these? Would I be able to accurately use this to measure something? Are each of my units of measurement, or my inches, are they each equal? Think about that and answer that question.